So hey guys, once again welcome to our latest video from Tech Press, and in today's video I have got this Mi 14 from Amazon, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of this smartphone, and I will also give you my first impression of this smartphone and tell you how this phone competes with other smartphones in this price range, be it Samsung S24 or the iPhone 15. So without any further ado, let's start the video. But before that, if you haven't still subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel because we bring these type of videos for you guys. So let's start the video. So let's open this Amazon wrapping first, and I will take out the phone. You can see the phone is sealed. I will open the seal once again. So you can see there is Xiaomi branding when we open the upper lid of the box. Let's take it out, and here is our smartphone. Let's keep it aside for a second and let's see what accessories do we get with it. So in India we don't get a 90-watt power brick which is supported with the smartphone, but instead we get a 120-watt power brick from Xiaomi, and also a Type A to Type C cable. Xiaomi should definitely include Type C to Type C cable, but it doesn't matter in the end. Now let's see what we get in this box. So let's open. So we get a silicone case from Xiaomi in the box, which is a very good thing until you can get a new one for your device. And some manuals are also present in the box, and a SIM ejector tool. Here it is. So let's open the wrap of our phone now. So here is the Mi 14 in its jade green color. Let me remove this slip from its back, and here is the phone in its true beauty. The back is very glossy, but not much fingerprints are attracted to its back, as it should on a glossy phone. As you can see, it's not attaching that many fingerprints. Let's boot up the screen, and also it have a pre-installed screen guard which you can change later with a glass tempered for better protection. Now let's boot the device up, and it's booted very fast. Let's set the device up very fast. So you can see that during the setup it says personalize ads. Do turn this off. So the phone comes with some pre-installed apps that you can uninstall definitely, like this PhonePe app, Opera browser, and some default Mi apps like Mi Home. You can easily uninstall these apps, and the animation of uninstalling is very cool. You can see it's very fast and the animation is very good. So this was it for the unboxing. Now let's test its camera capability. Let's make this charging brick a subject, and it has a direct light source on it, so the photo should come very nice, I think. Let's take a pic of this. You can see that it retains a lot of detail even in 3.2x lens, and this was on 2x, and this one was at 1x primary lens. By the way, all the three lenses in Mi 14 are of 50 megapixel, and the primary lens is Hunter 900 sensor, and also the IR blaster is in the back of this camera. When you hold this phone, you will think that the side frame of this phone are made up of stainless steel because it's very shiny, which we don't see in an aluminum frame nowadays. Also, there are some antenna bands on the frame down here as well. It has stereo speakers, one in the down and one embedded in the earpiece, not a dedicated speaker on the top. The top is very clean, which I like, and the form factor of this phone is very much like an iPhone, but the glass back here curves a bit, so it will give you a nice sturdy feel when you hold it in your hand. If you want the full detailed review of this phone, do mention in the comments and I will compare it with any phone that you mention in the comments. Thank you for watching this video.